we have our word wall at the house. So we ended up just putting it on the windows because I figured that was a good space to where you can close it up and not look at it and stuff. I use sentence strips. If you don't have sentence strips at home, you can use Post-it notes, paper, or whatever. And I wrote each one of the letters. Now this is something we have in the classroom. So whenever we were writing sentences, yesterday Reese was like, I don't know how to spell that word, it's on the word wall. So we went ahead and made a word wall today, just like we do at school. I went ahead and sent you the list of the sight words that we have, and you can go ahead and add them. I went ahead and added the sight words that he doesn't know how to spell up on our word wall. And I also went ahead and coded stuff just like we kind of do in the classroom. In the classroom, we have it based on different colors is the different ink I use, but this way I just did it by different Post-it notes because I had different colored Post-it notes to use. So you can go ahead, some of the math words that you might want to add are numbers 1 through 10 if you want. We went ahead and did like add and equal and subtraction, and probably subtract will add. 10 frame is another good one. And then if you see the orange words, those are the words that we kind of talked about today that he said he wanted. We talked about a leprechaun and how to trap one. And then we also put stuff like how you would trap it. So I added first and then last, then and next onto our word wall, and then the word march. So I'm going to be looking at stuff for you to do tomorrow with your kids. I will probably be doing Scholastic with him in the morning, and I think tomorrow is about plants and planting seeds and all that kind of stuff in the life cycle of a seed, which is great because that aligns with our teaks for the 6 weeks for science. So go ahead and go on that, and then I'll set up a art activity just like today, and then a good book. So if you want to do a word wall at home, this is what we did, and you're more than welcome to do it at home. So bye.